She's looking at a pretty husky. Look at this thing.
His eyes, Indiana.
Are they supposed, like, I'm confused. Like, one eye's blue, one eye's, what do you call a dog like this? I can't believe my eyes. He is out. Welcome to the Atwoods. Now all we gotta do is introduce him to Zeus.
Zeus is gonna hate me even more.
Hi Zeus. Hi Zeus. What's mommy got? What is that? What do you think, Zeus? What do you think? Butt sniffing transition around here. Guys, we have a husky. There's a husky in my house. There's a husky in my house.
Look how mad he is at me.
I know.
You're okay.
Zeus is acting, I thought he'd be different. He's really like ignoring him completely. Brett, Kane, what are we naming this thing? You like Flash? I'm loving the double eyes. Look. Alright guys, we really need a name for this dog.
Kane just has been calling him Flash.
You like Flash? We need to call Noah and have him weigh in on this. Look at his eyes, man. He looks like he's almost angry though.
No, he's so tired.
Are you happy, mommy?
Yeah, I needed a
Whoa! Are you still loving it?
puppy. Oh, I love him so much.
Let me see.
I love him so
Let me
much.
see. Hey. Look at that multi-eye. Crazy puppy accidents.
Get it.
He's already fetching. Oh, rock my baby. The puppy life, man. You just sleep 3 hours, you play for 10 minutes.
You want to take him home with you, Daly?
Oh, no. I only have kitties. You'll eat my kitties.
My little baby.
Dude, all that thing does is sleep. How are you, little guy? He's right at home. Outside? Let's go. Who wants to go outside? Come on. Hey. Oh my gosh. Oh. He came to your rescue.
Aw, you're so sweet. You're so sweet.
He's probably pooping on you right now. That's the only reason he got up there. You gotta re-jump. Your mom's house. That's where Kane is. He's been there hanging out, and we've got. This might as well be Noah, and this might as well be a zoo over here, guys. It is a petting zoo. Come on, come on. You guys don't need to be in the guest room. Out you go. Out. All right, you ready for the jump? Are you ready for the? He just instantly bailed on you. You can't sit with me. You cannot sit with me. Come on. Come on.
Let's get some air.
Oh my
Grab him, grab him.
I got him. Let him
He
go.
has his leash on.
Woo. Oh boy. Welcome to the big world, dude.
This dog's like, what?
He's like, I don't get it. He's fine. He don't seem to mind. Look at this thing. Sleeping on the towel.
Wore me out.
It is Father's Day. I got my. Is
I
there a chance?
can't leave without my
Is there a
baby.
chance here that this dog's already bigger?
Oh yeah.
Whoa, look at that back.
Oh, don't let him mess with that cat. He'll put his eye out.
Hey, come here.
Gotcha. Drop the camera, but I gotcha.